Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, April 21st, 2009. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 34 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade sets to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and free live chat room can be accessed via our website at www.EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right around 8:24. And as you can see, we just kind of chopped sideways, went down and retested our overnight session lows. We traded up through our moving average, got a pullback and a signal to go long that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 ES ticks. And we quickly got into yesterday's lows and filled our half gap. Kind of traded sideways off that level for a little bit before we decided to extend the move to the upside and fill our full gap. But prior to doing that, we got a pullback at the 10 o'clock reversal time, and we traded back underneath those those yesterday lows, and we pulled back to that level, got a signal to go short, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 13 ticks. Traded back down to almost our open before moving back up above our moving average, and again, we got a bounce. Unfortunately, this move did not give us a two-plan entry signal, and then it moved away from us a little too quick to get a second chance entry on that on its way up to fill the gap. So we sat out of that third move just because of the quickness of the market, and that happens sometimes. Continued to trade up through the red area here on the chart, which is the lunchtime dead zone, where we do not take trades as junkies. But coming out of lunch, we did get a signal to go short, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 9 ticks as we traded down towards our pivot. Got a little bit of support at that pivot level and basically started to trade sideways. As we moved across our moving average, we got a signal to go long. We got our first contract off here, but we were not able to get any follow through to the upside, so we actually got stopped out of our second contract and lost 2 ticks on that trade. And then we again traded down below our pivot and got another pullback towards that pivot level, and we actually got another signal to go short. And on that particular signal, we didn't even get our first contract out. We got a full stop out on both contracts, lost 14 ticks on that particular trade. But as so many times that happens, once we get a full stop out, we actually got a reaction back to our moving average, got a signal to go long, and this was a nice swing on this particular one, and it produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 20 ticks. So all in all, it was a great trading day. We had 6 trades for 34 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our free daily chat room and video newsletter, please visit www.EminiJunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.